Hello and welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. Today, we're diving into a detailed problem from Class 11 Chemistry. Question 2.15 will be calculate. What is the maximum number of emission lines when the excited electron of a H atom in N equals 6 drops to the ground state? ANS. A total number of 15 lines, 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, will be obtained in this hydrogen emission spectrum. The number of spectral lines emitted when an electron in the nth level drops down to the ground state is given by n-1 divided by 2. Since n equals 6, total no, spectral lines equals 6 minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 15. Hence, the maximum number of emission lines when the excited electron of a H atom in N equals 6 drops to the ground state is 15. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to We Dared Chemistry for more educational content. Have any questions or want to learn more? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.